But how can the police file a B report in 306? It is like filing 302 B report ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. How did you even register a B report in this? What investigation have you conducted? And the very invocation of 306 is wrong. No.
ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
This can't be accepted.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
This matter on Monday. My senior is out of station.
Very good. Yes. What's the matter, sir?
Rejection of B report. Rejection of B report is being challenged.
Rejection of?
B report accepted.
Accepted.
Acceptance of B report.
Sorry, sorry.
Rejection of B report ಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Acceptance.
306.
ಹೌದು.
ಹೌದು.
306.
306.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ B report ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
So B report is accepted.
Accepted.
Where are you pushing her?
Page.
Your Worship, may kindly have this matter for.
We'll have it. I want to know what is the matter.
Please.
306.
306 page 30 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಸೈಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್.
Second B report. Second B report.
Second B report has been considered. We have already filed the protest petition, Your Worship. That came to be rejected. We are saying is that
School
the
management
investigation
ಮೇಲೆ-
was not taken properly, Your Worship.
ಯಾವುದು school management?
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ
Student died?
Yes, Your
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್
Worship.
What, how old was the student?
15 years.
15 years at the time of death.
306 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 305 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Beyond 18 years, 306.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಗೇಷನ್.
ಇದು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ B report? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 306 ಅಲ್ಲಿ B report ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ?
They have not,
Yes, Jagdish sir.
they are not.
How can you
conducted
file a B
by-
report in 306?
Okay.
He died by, what's the age of the student? 15 years.
15.
Student died by himself, is it?
Yes.
How can you file B report? Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
You are school management.
I am the school.
Which school is this?
ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಹೌದು, ಸಿಡೇದಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಏನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರ?
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Harassment to the child, Your Worship.
Harassment by whom?
By the classmates. She was harassed by her classmates, sir.
And no action was taken, is it?
No action.
Based on the comments, sir.
The parents have submitted their complaints, Your Worship. That also came to be rejected. And they have not considered the statement given by the mother. Even in the investigation report, they have not taken the statement of the mother, Your Worship. Without.
Yes,
taking-
sir. What B report? How can you file B report in 306?
Will secure the records.
Secure the records. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
The,
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
notice ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Heard the learned, what's the name?
Shweta Nayak.
So and so heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, Shweta appearing for the petitioner. The learned counsel with the petitioner submits that the student dies by committing suicide. The harassment meted out by other fellow students were clearly brought out in the complaint so registered by the mother. On several occasions, the mother had complained that that the child is being harassed by other students, and the administration of the principal did not take any action on that. On a fateful day, the student commits suicide owing to such harassment. The student was 15 years old at that point in time. The crime comes to be registered for offense punishable under section 306 of the IP. 306 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 305 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Very interesting. Page 32. Sorry, 92.
92.
Page 92.
92.
Worship, may see second last line in that first para. They admit that she committed the suicide.
Who admits?
The report, B report.
And files a B report.
7/2/22 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಯಶವಂತಪುರ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋನ್ಸು ಚಲಿಸುವ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ
Jagdish sir, UDR ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. unnatural death report ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 306 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can, how did you even register a B report in this? What investigation have you conducted? And the very invocation of 306 is wrong. It should be 305.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನ್ 18 years ಆಗಿತ್ತ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ 15 ಇಯರ್ಸ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ 15 years 305. ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ 305. Where is the book?
ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳುಹಿಸುವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
No, no.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
This can't be accepted.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿದಾರರು ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ
B
ನೀಡಿದ
report,
ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
B report we will not accept at all. It should be investigated in it.
ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿದಾರರು ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೃತಳ ಮರಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅನುಮಾನವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸದೆ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅವಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು.
1 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 year,
After 1 year you have registered the
Yes.
complaint? Yes, Shweta.
ಶಾಲೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ
It is
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ
registered?
ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದೂರನ್ನು ನೀಡಿರುವುದು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
Your Lordship, they have kept complaining about the same to the management, Your Lordship. They were saying that it was not because of the college management that she has committed suicide. It was only because of the marks that they have made a specific contention that she was scoring very less in the examination. And that is because of the depression that she has committed suicide. There is no such thing, Your Lordship. She has been a very brilliant student and she has been doing very well in the exams. And she has been present in all the classes, wherein her classmates, they have been getting very poor marks. Despite the same, they are giving a contention that she was not very good at studies, and that is the reason why she.
So
has
anyway,
committed suicide.
306 ಅಲ್ಲಿ B report,
Even
not at all. That can't be done at all.
the reason is, my lords, after 1 year this complaint and the student.
The reasons may be
from
manifold.
state syllabus-
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we will quash it,
Yes.
saying that delay ಇದೆ, ಅದಿದೆ, ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. But how can the police file a B report in 306? It is like filing 302 B report ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. Yes, we'll pass orders on Tuesday. Yes.
Secure the record.
Get the records. Tuesday, Wednesday ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
Agud, witness.
List on Wednesday. Now don't get senior. Yes.